How to multiply in Google Sheets. So to multiply in Google Sheets, you can use the asterisk operator in a formula like whatever you want to use, or just use the product function for multiple cells. Let's say, for example, we have here numbers from A1 to 7. So we want to multiply these numbers. So to do that, simply just go to an empty cell right here. Then you want to type this formula. For example, product, then put a open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So simply just type which one number you want to multiply. Let's say, for example, A1, then we want to put a comma, A2, then press enter, or just close the parenthesis or open it, then press enter. As you can see, this is the multiplication and the product of A1 and A2. If you type that on your calculator, you should get this result right here. Now, similarly, you can also do multiple multiplications or product. Just type the same formula, type the colon, and type which number you want to multiply. Let's say, for example, A2, A3, A4, and so on. And simply just close it and press enter. And as you can see, you get the total number or value. Now, there's also a different formula that you can use. You can just do this directly. So, for example, equals, then just type A1, then you want to copy and paste the asterisk formula or operator. Then type another value or number. Let's say, for example, A2, then press enter. As you can see, this is the same value as C9 and C11 because I multiplied A1 and A2 and same thing. And basically that's how you can multiply in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification